In this part of our course, we want to be familiar to how we can create a tags. What is tag? I want to open an example for you to see and find out better. In this project, as you can see, for finding out the type of the equipment, it is necessary to make a sign for the equipment. For example, this one, I just zoom in. If you do not use tags for this, it is not possible to find out what equipment this is. For example, this is the rooftop unit, and its abbreviation is RTU in the upper part of the tag, and the bottom part of the tag is the name, which could be the reference which refer to the, for example, table belong to this. For the diffusers, as you can see, CD1, C diffuser number 1, and the diameter inlet or neck of these is 8 inches, and the its CFM is 150, and the type of this diffuser type 3. It means that in this we have 3 another of these types. We have 3 of them. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 of these type, which have exactly same settings and configuration. So we use one tag for all of them, not making tags for each of them. Okay, one tag for all of them. So it's very helpful to preventing very crowded project with lots of tags. So how we make these tags? Please mention this. I want to open an table which easily you can find out the using of these notations. In notations, exactly similar to this. For example, mechanical equipment designation, contractor furnished and installed unless noted otherwise, CU. It could be maybe condensing unit, and the number down is the reference. It's usually in the first sheets. You can see the explanation, so anybody see the drawing and can find out what's the meaning of these signs. This was the explanation of the annotations and symbols, and you can see all the symbols. For example, supply air duct lip with this sign, with the X sign, you can refer to that. In the down, you can see, for example, FD means fire damper, RD duct, supply, and return. Okay, if it's RD means return duct, or SD means supply duct. So we use these signs in the table to help the reader of the drawing to find out better everything. For starting, I want to tell you something about the symbols or annotations. It's necessary to go to the File tab, New, and an annotation symbol, create tag or symbol to identify the elements in the project. And upper one is title block. We will explain this later. And conceptual mass, and for making the shapes and volumes. And family is the families belong in the project and you use them. If you select these, you can see these browsing window. You have template families here with the RFT format. And when you go to the conceptual mass, excuse me, when I go to the new annotation symbol, it will open this folder. And for example, I use generic annotation or generic tag, or sometimes you want to make annotation, or sometimes you may want to make tags. Let me tell you this note. You can open it from this window, or you can come into the new family annotation, and select the generic and use open button. There's no difference between them, and they are exactly similar. My first tag, which I want to make it, belongs to rooftop unit. I go to the roof level. I can see my roofs. I can see the docks belong to the second floor. Okay, so I select all of them, use filter. After that, all the options which I want to hide, I can uncheck them. I can check them. Okay, these are the options which I don't want to see it. And from the bottom of the screen, I use temporary hide and isolate, and select the hide elements and apply. This is the fastest way to hide and go to the project. I want to highlight my axes, and I go to the VG override, annotations, generic grids, and I use halftone for this, so a little